Really, guys? Come on. 1.5 million likes for videos like this with this sound. Guys, it's not even the correct notes. Does this sound like Savage Love to you? If you're going to teach something, please teach it correctly. Guys, I'm going to show you how I play it. If you guys like it, spam the comments, like the video, whatever. I'll make another tutorial video of how I play it. But this is what it should sound like. I'm not saying I deserve 1.5 million likes, but if you guys like that, please show your support. And yeah, love you.